Welcome back to Visionary Designs, where we inspire you to create spaces that bring peace, style, and comfort into your home. Today, we're diving into a design that's all about serenity and simplicity: spa-inspired minimalist bathrooms. Imagine stepping into a space where every element, from the layout to the materials, feels calming and rejuvenating, a perfect blend of modern minimalism and the peacefulness of a spa retreat. When we think of minimalist bathrooms, we often picture clean lines, open spaces, and a lack of unnecessary clutter. Now, imagine adding a spa-like atmosphere to that. It's not just about functionality, it's about creating a space where you can truly unwind, like an oasis in your own home. Picture a bathroom with a soothing neutral color palette: soft grays, warm whites, or calming beige tones. These hues act as a canvas, allowing the natural beauty of the materials to shine. Think of natural wood accents, stone textures, and sleek matte finishes that reflect the purity and simplicity of a spa. The goal here is to create an environment that feels organic and grounded, while maintaining a sense of luxury. One of the hallmarks of this design style is simplicity with intention. Every element in a spa-inspired minimalist bathroom is chosen for both its beauty and purpose. Imagine a floating vanity with smooth wooden surfaces. Its clean design and open space beneath make the room feel larger and more airy. Paired with a frameless mirror, the whole look exudes a sense of lightness. A minimalist bathroom doesn't need to feel stark. Instead, it's about stripping away the excess and focusing on what truly matters. Now let's talk about the importance of natural materials. The spa vibe really comes through in the use of organic textures, like stone tiles, polished concrete, or natural wood. Imagine the feeling of stepping onto a heated stone floor, cool to the eye, but warm and inviting underfoot. Or picture a deep freestanding bathtub, crafted from smooth stone or porcelain, sitting in the center of the room. The bath becomes the focal point, offering you the perfect escape for a long, relaxing soak. In terms of fixtures and hardware, minimalism encourages sleek, modern designs. Think of simple chrome or matte black faucets that blend seamlessly with the overall aesthetic. A rain shower with a frameless glass enclosure can create a seamless transition between different parts of the bathroom, enhancing that open, spa-like feel. The gentle sound of water flowing from a rainfall showerhead adds another layer of tranquility to the experience. Lighting plays a crucial role in this design as well. Natural light is always the best option, so large windows, skylights, or even frosted glass panels can allow sunlight to flood the space while maintaining privacy. For the evening, soft, warm lighting, such as recessed lighting or minimalist pendant lamps, can create a calm, inviting atmosphere. Picture yourself in a softly lit bathroom with the subtle glow of candles adding to the spa experience. The beauty of a spa-inspired minimalist bathroom is that it doesn't require a lot of decoration to make an impact. Instead, focus on simple, thoughtful touches, like a plush, oversized towel draped on a natural wood stool, a few carefully chosen plants, bringing in a bit of nature, or a sleek tray on the countertop with organic soaps, bath salts, and essential oils. These small, deliberate choices contribute to the overall feeling of peace and relaxation. And while minimalism is often about restraint, it doesn't mean you have to sacrifice luxury. A heated towel rack, soft bath linens, or a well-placed soaking tub are just a few elements that add a touch of indulgence. It's these little details that elevate the bathroom from purely functional to a truly luxurious retreat. The magic of this style is that it's adaptable. Whether you have a spacious master bath or a smaller, more compact space, the principles of spa-inspired minimalism can be applied to create a serene environment that helps you relax, refresh, and recharge. By stripping away the excess and focusing on the essentials, you can create a space that is not only beautiful, but also restorative. At Visionary Designs, we believe that your home should be your sanctuary, and a spa-inspired bathroom is the perfect way to bring a little more peace and balance into your everyday life. If you're ready to transform your bathroom into a tranquil retreat, we hope today's video inspires you to get started. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with your favorite spa-inspired feature, and subscribe to our channel for more design inspiration. We've got plenty of ideas to help you create spaces that reflect your style and bring comfort to your home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Visionary Designs.